You work hard, but your savings account barely grows. Sound familiar? The problem isn't always your income, it's your habits. Here's why you're not saving enough and how to turn it around fast. No clear goal. Without a savings target, your money gets spent mindlessly. Set specific goals. An emergency fund, vacation, or home. Purpose gives your savings direction. You pay yourself last. If you wait to save what's left over, there's rarely anything left. Flip the script. Pay yourself first by automating savings as soon as your paycheck arrives. Lifestyle creep. As income grows, so do your expenses. Avoid upgrading your lifestyle too quickly. Lock-in savings increases before spending more. Lack of budgeting. If you don't track your spending, you can't control it. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to see exactly where your money goes. And cut waste. Relying on credit. Using credit cards to cover shortfalls keeps you stuck. Focus on cash flow and emergency funds to stop the debt cycle. No emergency fund without a financial cushion. One surprise bill can wipe out months of effort. Start with $500 and build from there. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.